So as you may know, Nmap is a great tool for scanning and enumeration. And thankfully, it integrates into MSF with the command db nmap. Now, if you connect the MSF to a database, you can store the scan results for later use as well. By using Nmap, you can practically detect hosts and services on your target network. Nmap has various features and scanning techniques. I'm not going to cover all of them here, but here I will make a SYN scan, TCP scan, and service detection on the target hosts. And then after this, you can either use Nmap from MSF console or use the db nmap command with almost all the options that Nmap provides. But whenever you run the db nmap command, the scan results will be stored in the database automatically. However, you may also wish to import the scan results into another application. So you may want to export the scan results into an XML file. So let's open your terminal command and start the MSF console. And to take advantage of the db nmap command, Metasploit must be connected to a database, and then the usage is quite similar with the Nmap. Actually, Nmap, I don't want to discount it. It is a wonderful tool. Integrating it with MSF closes a huge gap while using Metasploit. So let's just simply use db nmap as the command with nmap as the parameters. So Nmap, as I said before, has a variety of options and different scan types to be able to enumerate the target. And one of them is the SYN scan, SS parameter. This runs a stealthy TCP scan over the network and looks for TCP-based open ports, but it doesn't complete the three-way handshake. Nmap TCP scan, ST parameter. This runs a TCP connect scan over the network and looks for TCP-based open ports as well. This, however, completes the three-way handshake. And then the last one is service detection. It tries to detect the services on the target by sending some network probes. Nmap is really smart. Now, before scanning all the hosts in a network, it first identifies if the host is alive. So the PN option means you don't have to use the ICMP ping command to determine if the host is alive. And the P parameter specifies the port numbers. In this case, I want all the ports to be scanned. And we have the scan results for Metasploitable 2 and 3. See, Nmap did a good job. And now everything is saved in the database. And now you can manage your hosts by using the hosts command. And also you can view services by using the services command. Excellent syntax. With the services command, you can actually go deeper. So let's have a look at the help screen for this command. You can perform specific searches and listings. Enter the C parameter, and then enter name and port to get this information. And you can search with the S parameter. And now this is the hosts command help screen. So like the services command, the C parameter will help you make special lists. Nope, it's wrong here. So I'm going to delete this empty character. Okay, so now it's okay. So I want to show you one more command. It is the vulns command. So it helps you to list the vulnerabilities of the hosts. However, you don't import any vulnerability scan as a result. So in addition to running Nmap or other third-party scanners, there are several port scanners that are available in MSF for you as well. They come in as auxiliary modules. Now, besides using the db nmap command, you can try one of these as well. So let's have a look at one of them. Let's list them with the search command. And here are the port scan modules listed. So now I'm going to pick the SYN port scanner. To view its information, I get a short description and some variables, not much more. Now I want to show the options. So I'm going to set our hosts to Metasploitable 2 and 3 IP addresses. But let me say a couple of things at this point. You might remember I mentioned earlier that these variables define your target's IP addresses or yours. So it's a pretty good example of the ease of use for MSF because these types of variables take IP ranges, CIDR ranges, multiple ranges separated by commas or line-separated hostless files, then run the module. So if I don't change the default value for the port variable, the module is going to scan port numbers between 1 and 10,000. It may take a few minutes. Now we've got the result. And as you see here, the module did a really good job for us. So using these modules can come in really handy. Bet you didn't know that, did you?